Assembly instructions for the BMW scooter. The scooter is pretty much 99.9% assembled, but we have to take the steering column off just to get it into the crate. So when you receive it, this steering column would just be off, and you'll see the two holes to line up to put this shaft back on. Slide that shaft back in. Open your trunk for the hardware. You will have this setup right here, the bolt, nut and bolt with the weird looking washer. So that washer is going to be in the front. Then you locate the hole, it's dark in here, and slide the washer part to the front and a nut in the back, and just tighten it up. This front cover will be on when you receive it, but I will only put 2 screws in just to hold it into place, but you would have to take those 2 screws off, which you will see all the screw holes in the back, on the back panel, to unscrew that off. When you take it off, there's one plug for the headlight that may come off when you move it around. Just make sure, it's gonna be that part right there. Just make sure you plug that in before you put the cowl back on, just to make sure your headlights are connected. The hardware will be in your seat trunk. To access your trunk, you will turn the key backwards, and that will release the trunk. You will see your mirrors, your charger, and the screws and stuff that I took off. So just put the cowl back on and just start putting your screws back in to tighten it up. Do not over tighten, because if you're using a screw gun, you can strip the holes out. So just get them snug tight and leave it alone. If you're using a hand screwdriver, just get it to where it's tight and leave it alone. Don't try to, it's just not gonna be a point where the screw is gonna be stronger than you, because it's just plastic you're screwing into. So do not try to over tighten them. Just get them to snug onto them and tighten them up.